Daddy
and
Kittens.
To make a toy, we need stick,
Ball.
ball,
Rainbow.
ribbon, yes, very good, and colorful fabric, yes? Okay, so this color is
Purple.
purple, this color is
Green.
green, this color is blue, this color is
White.
white, and red. Okay. Now we have to find the cat. Let's go! Catty, go to Catty, go! Come on, come on! Put that toy on the top of that plant. Very good, yes. Very good.